Arm in arm is a descriptive phrase that paints a vivid picture of two or more individuals standing or walking closely together, with their arms physically linked or intertwined. This expression symbolizes unity, companionship, and a strong sense of togetherness. When people are seen walking or standing arm in arm, it conveys a deep connection, mutual support, and often signifies a close and harmonious relationship. The imagery invoked by arm in arm is one of physical proximity and emotional intimacy. It suggests a bond that goes beyond mere acquaintanceship or casual friendship. Instead, it portrays a level of trust and comfort that allows individuals to share their personal space and physical contact. This close physical connection is not limited to romantic partners, it can apply to friends, family members, or even colleagues who share a strong bond. The phrase arm in arm has been used in literature, poetry, and various forms of artistic expression to convey powerful themes and emotions. It often serves as a metaphor for solidarity, cooperation, and mutual support in the face of challenges. For example, in a novel or a poem, characters walking arm in arm might symbolize their determination to face adversity together, emphasizing their unwavering support for one another. In everyday life, the act of walking arm in arm can be a simple yet significant gesture. It demonstrates a willingness to share burdens and joys alike. Whether it's a couple taking a leisurely stroll, friends celebrating an achievement, or family members showing affection, walking arm in arm can signify a bond that transcends words. Moreover, arm in arm is not limited to physical actions alone, it can also describe a figurative connection between people who support each other emotionally and mentally. In this context, it represents the idea that individuals stand together, offering encouragement and reassurance in times of need. This emotional closeness can be just as powerful and comforting as the physical act of linking arms. The phrase also carries connotations of celebration and unity. During festivals, parades, or other communal gatherings, people often walk arm in arm to symbolize their shared purpose and solidarity with a particular cause or group. This physical expression of unity reinforces a sense of belonging and reinforces the idea that individuals are stronger together. In summary, arm in arm is a descriptive phrase that conveys a strong sense of unity, closeness, and mutual support among individuals. Whether used in literature, art, or everyday life, it evokes the image of people physically or figuratively linked together, emphasizing their emotional and physical connection. This expression serves as a reminder of the power of human relationships and the comfort derived from knowing that one is not alone in facing life's challenges.